Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you a really high IQ tip. I will show you how to set a custom mode in Windows 11. If you want to do it, first you need to click rightmouse button icon of start, and after that you need to go to settings. Then we need to select personalization settings from the left panel, and after that we need to open here colors, accent color, transparency, effects and color dim settings. And here we can select our mode in Windows 11. This option will let you to change the colors that appears in Windows and your apps. On default it is set to light, and if you will click on this option, you can see here three options. First one is light, second one is dark, and the last one is custom. So I recommend you to select custom mode, and now two new options will be displayed here. First one is choose your default Windows mode. You can adjust if you want to have here light or dark mode. So for example, I set here light, and here we will be able to choose default app mode. On default it is set to light. I recommend you to change it to dark. Then Windows 11 mode will be customized. Of course you can modify these values. For example, you can select here dark and here light. Everything depends on your preferences. So I recommend you to try this high IQ option. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.